Today we are going to bake a delicious apple crumble pie that's not only gluten-free and vegan, but is also guaranteed to impress everyone. This recipe is perfect for anyone with dietary restrictions or simply looking for a healthier dessert option. This recipe is super easy to follow. First, we make a small pre-dough. To do this, we put all our ingredients into a small bowl and stir everything together. The whole thing goes into the oven at 30 degrees for about 15 minutes. At this temperature, the yeast is activated quickly and the dough will later rise faster and become airier. And remember, as always, you will find all the ingredients below this video in the description box. Next, we put the pre-dough in our large baking bowl and add all the ingredients except the butter. If you like my video, write me a heart, a message or a question in the comments. I'm very happy about it and I'm happy to answer. If you would like to see more recipe videos like this, you can support my work by subscribing to my channel right now. Thank you very much for that. We then mix the whole thing and stir it until the dough no longer sticks and has become firmer. This can take a few minutes. Only then we add the liquid lukewarm butter. It's very important here that the fat must never be hot, otherwise the yeast will die and the whole dough will no longer rise. So now we just continue by hand. We knead the dough for a few minutes until the butter has mixed nicely with the dough. Of course, you can also use your food processor. I really like doing this by hand, and to be honest, I don't currently own one. Very important, cover the bowl with a damp kitchen towel. Next, we prepare the apple filling. To do this, we simply peel and core the apples. Then apple juice and lemon juice are added to the pot. The sliced apples also go in. We simmer everything slowly over low heat until the apples are translucent and the liquid has reduced. If you like it sweeter, you can add a little agave syrup. For an extra touch, you can also cook a cinnamon stick. Now I'll show you how you can conjure up the most delicious gluten-free and vegan crumble. You can find the detailed recipe in the information card at the top right, in the description and in the comments. This dough is enough for a large square tray measuring 45 by 38 centimeters. But if you're like me in everyday life and time is always short, then take a round tray with a diameter of 24 centimeters and only use 2/3 of the dough for your pie. With the other third, you can prepare a pizza with a diameter of 24. Feel free to check out my channel. There are different variations of gluten-free and vegan pizza. You can find the link at the end of this video and up here in the info card on the right. Let me show you how I put the apple crumble pie into my mold. We oil the mold with olive oil and sprinkle some rice flour on top. To prevent the crumbles from getting too dark, it's best to cover them with aluminum foil after about 30 minutes and finish baking. Carefully loosen the edge of the springform pan immediately after baking, but let the cake cool completely on the baking tray. Only then it is firm enough that you can put it on a cake plate. Serve this pie with a scoop of my popular vanilla ice cream or custard. You can find both recipes right here in vegan and gluten-free versions. Have fun baking and see you in my next video. Bye bye!